All right, the next question I want to go over still looks at ion concentrations, but here what we have is we have two chemicals that are being mixed together. So we have the bromide ions and the silver plus. So these two chemicals are coming together. So what we actually have is we have Ag plus, aqueous plus, Br minus aqueous. Those are ions, and you're going to form this crystallization reaction here, AgBr, solid, and going back. So that's kind of the setup that you have. So we know that, let's start off with Ag plus here. So because it's a dilution because you're mixing two solutions. So we know this is going to be a dilution calculation. So that's going to be M1, V1, M2, V2. So what we're going to do here is set up an M1, V2, M1, V1 is equal to M2, V2 here. And then we're also going to do another M1, V1, M2, V2 setup here for bromide. So let's start off with the Ag plus 1. So we have 17 mils of 0.05 molar. So that's going to be our initial starting point. So we're just going to go here, Ag plus 1 is equal to M1 is 0.050 molar times that by 17.0 mils. And what we have here is we have M2, and we want to divide by the common volume. So V2 in this case is going to be 17.0 mils plus 3.0 mils, so it's actually going to be 20.0 mils. So that's our final volume, by the way, and it's going to be the same in both equations. So we're just going to write that down right here. So that's going to be 20.0 mils here. Okay, so you can go ahead and work that out, and I just want to set up this one here. So the Br minus is going to be the 3 and the 0.01. So for Br minus, what we have is, let's see here, 0.010 molar times 3.0 mils, and we have the common volume, which is 20 here. The reason why is 20 mils is because you're mixing both of these solutions together, right? They're being added together, so you're taking the 3 mils and the 17 mils, so the final volume is going to be 20 because they're being mixed into the same beaker. Okay, so just make sure you're aware of that. So now go ahead and work this out, and you're going to notice that the mils cancel. You're left with molarity, and then when you work this out, Ag plus 1 works out to 0.043 molar, and Br minus, when you work that one out, it's going to be 0.0015 molar.